Hey, Jeff here. We came across a couple of Chrome tips that you might really like if you're a Chrome user. So, hey, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm sharing my Chrome screen here. So let's start with pinning. So if there's a website that you use frequently, so for example, Google Classroom or Google Drive, if you want to, you can pin your Google Drive or your Google Classroom or whatever website so that it stays in your tabs bar. So if you're a person like Jason Kathman, who has to have 89 tabs open all the time and it takes up an awful lot of space at the top of your screen, this might be for you. So here's how you do it. Click on the one that you want, and then if you hit on your Mac, Control and then click, pin will come up. So it's a right click. If you click pin, then just the icon for your Google Drive will show up, giving you some more landscape for more tabs, just what Jason needs, more tabs at the top of the screen. And you can do as many as you like. So if you'd like to do it for your Google Classroom as well, just go to Control, click, pin, and now it opens up all that space. If you're presenting using Chrome in class, let's take a look at how we can make it easier for the end user. On your settings button, so if you go to Chrome, in the top right-hand side next to your login is the three dots, or some people call it the snowman. If you click that and open up settings, which is the page that I've got here, you'll see something that looks like this. If you scroll down to appearance and font size, you can crank the font up of your screen presentation. So the kids in the back of the room that are squinting, that forgot their glasses that day, they might be able to see it at this point. If you want to zoom in on the whole page and not just the font, you can certainly do that too by cranking it up to page zoom and choosing the number that you think would work best for you. I certainly hope that those two Chrome tips helped you. If you have any questions, just reach out to Jason and I, and we'll help you out as best we can. Thanks.